Dear students, today we will start with Unit 5, that is Cloud Platforms in Industry. So this is the overview of Unit 5. Amazon. It consists of Amazon Web Services, Google App Engine and Microsoft Azure. So first is Amazon Web Services. This Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, is a platform allowing the development of flexible application by providing solution for elastic infrastructure, that elastic infrastructure, scalability, messaging and file and data storage. The platform is accessible through SOAP means Simple Object Access Protocol, and or RESTful, that is a representational state transfer web service interfaces, and it provides a web-based console where the users can administrate and monitor the resources required as well as their expenses computed on a pay as you go basis, means as it is provided according to the demand of the user, and a user have to pay for that. This is the diagram of Amazon Web Service ecosystem. It consists of various services, like it consists of compute services, it consists of storage services, it consists of communicational services and additional services. At the basis of the solution, there are services that provide the raw compute and raw storage. So Amazon Elastic Compute, that is EC2, Amazon Simple Storage Service. So these are the two most popular services which are generally complemented with other offerings for building a complete system. Okay, then there are various communicational services like Amazon Simple Queue service, Amazon Simple Notification service, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. So these are the communicational services, and additional services are Amazon CloudFront, Amazon CloudWatch and Amazon Elastic Beanstalk and CloudFormation. So first, Amazon Web Services compute service. So compute services constitute the fundamental element of cloud computing system. This Amazon EC2 delivers the IaaS solution, that is infrastructure as a service solution. This Amazon EC2 allows deploying servers in the form of virtual machine images that are created as instance a specific image, and these images come with already pre-installed operating system and software stack. This instance can be configured for what regards memory, number of processors and storage. Then Amazon Machine Images, that is AMI. So this Amazon Machine Images are the templates from which it is possible to create a virtual machine, and they are stored in the Amazon S3, that is Simple Storage Service S3. And AMI contains a physical file system layout with a predefined operating system installed. This predefined operating system installed as Amazon RAM disk image and Amazon kernel image. So Amazon RAM disk image, the abbreviation is ARI, and the ID is ARIYYY, and Amazon kernel image, the abbreviation is AKI, and ID is AKIZZZ. So which are part of configuration of the template. AMIs are either created from scratch or bundled from existing EC2 instances running. Okay, so the common practice is to prepare new AMIs to create an instance from a pre-existing AMI and log into it, as it is booted and running, and install all the software needed and by using the tools provided by the Amazon. Okay. Next is EC2 instances. So this is EC2 instances represent virtual machines. They are created by using AMI as a template, which are specialized by selecting the number of cores and their computing power and the installed memory. The processing power is expressed in terms of virtual core and EC2 compute units. So there are 6 major categories, that is standard instances, micro instances, high memory instances, high CPU instances, cluster compute instances and cluster GPU instances. Okay. So next topic we will see in the next session.